Hey, what is up you guys? Today I'm going to be going over the Forza Horizon PC desktop crash fix. So what we're going to go over is how to reset the Forza app data, and then over that we're going to go over what programs you should have not installed or open. You don't want them open. And then we're going to go on how to set the process priority through the task manager to make Forza run better for your CPU management. After that, we're going to go over the correct Nvidia driver, and then after that we will do how to install clean Nvidia drivers and get rid of the Nvidia GeForce experience, and then we're going to turn off the microphone settings for Forza specific. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is press the Windows key, type apps, then from apps you're going to type in Forza within the apps and features, click on Forza, then go to advanced and then click on reset. It'll tell you what happens if you reset it. You go ahead and click reset, and this is your first step. Okay, now that you've reset the app data, you can go ahead and open the game. It's going to download your profile, and if the game still does not work after this, we have some more steps to go over that will fix the game, hopefully. Alright you guys, so our next step is to make sure that we have the correct Nvidia driver. Most of us probably have the newer ones, but we're actually going to install an earlier Nvidia driver. So go to the Nvidia website, go to the beta or older drivers, then find your series of GPU and select it, and then put in your type of operating system, hit search, and then you're going to find the Nvidia driver 372.90. You're going to hit agree and download, let it download, then click on it and say yes because it's going to make changes to your computer. Press OK and let it download and install. So now that it's installing, you're going to wait for the menu to pop up that checks your system compatibility, and once that has finished, you're going to be able to tell it to do a clean install. So agree and continue, do an advanced, and then you're not going to do express, you're doing custom, and click on clean install. Okay you guys, while this is happening, I just want to remind you that once this is finished, you need to close all apps and restart your computer. And while this is going on, I'd like to remind you that the programs you should not have installed is EVGA Precision, OBS. Well, you can have OBS installed, just don't have it running, and same with EVGA Precision, don't have it running. And don't have your task manager open when you're playing the game. So I know some of you want to see your processing performance on your logical cores. Don't do it, it'll crash the game. And some voice programs do crash the game. Like I like to use Discord, but sometimes it crashes it. Okay you guys, for our next step, go to your start menu, type in privacy settings, then go to microphone and look for Forza and turn the microphone settings off for Forza. What this does is make it so that Forza won't be able to use your microphone in game. So if you're using Discord, Ventrilo, or any of those other voice programs, that you'll be able to use your microphone without crashing the game, because when your game is trying to use the microphone and your other programs are trying to use the microphone, it conflicts the resources for the microphone. So you have to make the choice between either just using the microphone in the game or the microphone for your software programs that you use to talk to your friends on your PC. Alright you guys, now that we have the privacy settings changed, we need to get rid of the EVGA GeForce experience. So what you do is you click on start and then type in uninstall, and you'll click on the add or remove programs. You're going to find the EVGA GeForce experience and uninstall it from your computer. The reason we're doing this is because it conflicts with the game, so this will help it work better. Once you have finished this, restart your computer and we should be able to play the game. Okay, now your computer should be restarted. Remember to check before you open up the game that EVGA Precision is not turned on, OBS is turned off, and that any of your voiceover programs are not turned on. And as you can see in this video, I forgot to turn off EVGA precision, and I turned it off in the middle of the game loading, so then it crashes. But now when I press play again, now that EVGA's precision is turned off, the game is going to work perfectly fine. Sorry I don't have any audio for the game, you guys. I wear headphones. I should have played it through the speakers for you. I recorded it with my phone so that I wasn't using OBS, and I wanted to show you that it's working. Once I get the game working, I do close the game again, and that is because I remembered that when you reinstall your Nvidia drivers, it turns off your SLI, and I do have two 780s in SLI. Don't let this turn you down or anything, because this game does not use SLI. I use the second graphics card in my computer to record video using OBS. I know I said that you shouldn't use it, but I do it anyways, and sometimes my game crashes, but that's what I have to deal with as a video creator. So I'm going to show you guys. I close the game, I minimize it, go to your Nvidia control panel, and then you go to configure SLI, maximize performance, apply. It's going to apply those settings and turn on your SLI. Once it's turned on, I recommend you should restart your computer, but to each their own. I don't restart mine. And I open up the game, play it, the game's still working fine, smooth as butter. And that is about it, you guys. If you have any other questions or you need comments below, I'll help you as best as I can to get your game working. This took a lot of steps, but like I had to do a lot of things to figure this all out. It seems really simple once someone figures it all out and hands it down to you, but it was pretty hard to figure out. For those of you that are on the Windows Insider build, I have heard that this Windows build does not work, so you might need to backtrack your Windows and make sure that you are on the proper Windows build. I will put in the description below everything that needs to be done and the current Windows build that you need to be on. So if your game did not work after all of these steps, just remember that you might not be on the correct Windows build. Also, if you're on a laptop, this was not for laptops. Laptops are completely different. You might have integrated graphics, and integrated graphics, I believe, do not work for this game. If your laptop does have its own dedicated GPU, you need to turn off your integrated graphics and set your GPU to its default GPU. And that is about all I know on the laptop side. So hopefully someone out there will make a video for you laptop users. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Subscribe if you want. Like this video if it helped you, and remember to write a comment below and tell me if it worked, tell me if it didn't, and we'll get working through this for you.